Low D high minus high D the 2x squared minus 12 minus x squared. Let me redo this again.
Student, 1 minute remaining until class.
Why am I missing so many students? Oh, that's
Everyone. Man, like homecoming 2 out there? What's going on? Homecoming 2 Electric Boogaloo. How was that? How was that for everyone? Homecoming. Nice, nice. Yeah. This year was better?
Yeah, this year was
Nice, nice. Because I walked away that a sobbing mess, and now I didn't walk out of homecoming sobbing mess because I wasn't at homecoming. I am mentally upset right now. Anyways, I actually went to New York, so I had a scheduled conflict with that. Oh yeah. You mentioned it was.
all right. So, oh, you did not skip.
No, I was just running late. Sorry.
Alex skip. Amelia, Josephine. Oh, Josephine skip. Okay.
You can tell I didn't come to homecoming because my voice actually sounds normal.
Maddie's not even senior, is it?
Oh, I just saw her getting signed out by her mom. I think this is doctor's appointment.
Stephanos excited today?
I just got back from New York. It was
Okay, Aiden, what's your decision?
I'm gonna talk to you, but
slam.
I want to do it, but my dad has to talk to you.
Your dad says no?
No, he just wants to talk to you. So I'm like, can I make a group chat on WhatsApp or something?
It's like
Tell him to call me.
New York, apparently.
Tell him to call you.
I guess so.
What time do you want to call?
It was
After school?
and I really get
Fifth period
anything else.
Fifth period?
or A lunch.
I
We
miss
left on
so much.
You think you can do it?
New York on Friday.
You have to do 2 homework though.
Went to sleep
It's fine.
in the
That's fine.
hotel during the night.
Okay.
Then
I know that you have ability to do it, but I just don't know if you have the work ethic to do it. I think you'll find usually it still does work.
flight back next day on Saturday.
That's cool. What? Test those.
And I came back at 2.
I was
And I slept.
trying to see like because I can't stay at tutoring every day, so I was just
Yeah,
like one day it's better.
All right, so homework questions. I know there's a lot.
You got it.
That's the one I did. That was kind of painful. There we go. This is the painful part.
But yeah, I think if you like are in like
So this is my first derivative.
You did this one in the chat, right?
Huh?
You did this one in the.
No. Somebody did this on group chat? So that's my first derivative. Let me come look at your homework. Oh, my bag.
you okay?
You get old?
So for 64, it's like
How old are you again?
when did you tell this?
I can't say that. No.
It's like
Actual like.
6.
yeah,
I did that because I bought this equation. So what I did was right after I sent it. Sorry.
So it's basically low, high, high,
Yes. Minimum that's a half.
and then
I
I'm gonna have to.
went into that equation. I got this.
Let's skip on 68 to.
and then
Obviously.
Yeah, what happened?
yes, low, high, high.
Yeah. I figured out home.
got like
That's not home.
Actually, you know what? You see what they did next to?
What?
Yeah. I did the part where you.
That was his description. Cameron's actually seen it.
Did you just plug it in? Or you got four into the four?
How much people were skipping?
Everybody's put it in. So you think once you get just plug in the extra one and
Yeah.
I didn't want to.
That makes sense. I have a feeling like it has distributed.
Do you have right?
The grind continues. I never skip. I never skip. Even when I'm sick, I never skip. Even when I have COVID, I never skip. So,
What do you have for
I was gonna say, but I will be there for this period.
Oh, no.
Oh, right. The vision is a farm sample test.
Oh, no, I have an AP.
Right.
good luck.
Negative
Well,
I love
if you decide to go to BC, I won't get the day of the safe spot.
Which is what you would get.
Because my phone care is BC.
The products were
Oh, I would do 6th period,
and then
Oh,
five was next month.
because I don't have a 6th period.
No. But you're gonna skip, right?
Well,
After the period.
I'm called out.
So I say that's the period. So I can go over stuff, limit go over a lot of stuff.
I don't even know of any senior skip days.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
It's shit.
I don't it's fine that I go there a lot. I think it's
Exact same thing instead of 3 of the 2 is gonna be bigger.
Like, there's a lot of kids.
It's basically not perfect. You know how like crypto has like it has like the two slopes.
Today's the 22nd.
Sixth grade, just to-
I missed the 21st night of
It's gonna
September.
be -1
Anyway.
square. It's gonna be 1.
So I got the negative thing, but I think I carried it from
Wait, no, you have it right. You have it right. It's because if you do negative, wait. Oh wait, why do you?
I don't get what that 2 times 3 minus 4 by 2.
I will. It was a busy weekend.
Oh wait, Mario, you should have included the next one. That would have been easier to see.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Now, I'm gonna say this. A lot of people do some weird stuff.
I kept thinking like this.
A lot of people do weird stuff like this. This is not okay. You cannot cancel this and this. No, that's bad math. Ever. You do not cancel that part. You're gonna keep that one. You're gonna expand the top. You're gonna simplify.
Oh no, wait, never mind. Because you're not multiplying them. You're subtracting them. The x2 and the x, you're subtracting them. Because you multiply the x minus 4 and the 2x plus 3, right? But you subtract the x2 plus 3x. And the x times the x times 2x is 2x2. 2x in the power of 2, but you don't yeah, so you don't multiply the x2 by the x.
Yeah.
Right. It's alright, no pressure.
Question.
It's not that much.
Okay, so this is the first derivative, but we're gonna have to do more. This one's kind of painful. Now, for me, the second one is kind of hard. If you cannot get the second one, including last year, I kind of did it really fast and I messed up somewhere and I cannot find my mistake. So it's really easy to lose track. Now, for this part, you don't need to be able to do. I know how to factor out GCF. So what I did is I'm gonna went ahead and expand the top. So that's to say x squared minus x minus 4 squared is equal to this. So then I'm gonna say low, which is the bottom, d high, which is 2x. Derivative of this one is gonna be 2x minus 8. Does that make sense? And the minus high, which is the x squared minus 8x minus 12, times d low, which is 2x minus 8, over x minus 4 squared. So what do you see is, I see a GCF here. I see they both are able to factor out. So I'm going to factor out 2x minus 8. And when I do that, and now expand this, so I got x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 8x squared plus 8x plus 12. And I expand that. So this one will be 16 and 12 together. It's going to be 28. And the x minus 4 is going to cancel out one of x minus 4. So I got 56 over x minus 4 to the third. Now, how many of you guys can do this? Probably not many, including myself. Last year, I screwed up somewhere. I screwed up a sign. And so I don't expect you able to do this. Not just a lot of tedious work for this particular question. And this doesn't mean to make you confusing about something. But yeah, this is one of the situations that I would say is not okay. I mean, it's probably hard for you.
You said it's like killing a puppy if you cross out the x minus 4 squared on the numerator and on the denominator, because it's being factored out. Because
No.
2x minus 4.
So that's what the problem of. Let's just imagine that you have 2 times 3, like 2 points like this, right? You are saying that this 2 can cancel. This 2 cannot cancel because it's not a factor. The 2 is times 3, but it's not 2 bracket 3. If 2 bracket 3, this 2 can cancel, but this 2 is a belong to this 3. So you cannot just cancel the 2. Yes.
You go over 81.
Huh?
81.
Okay. 81 will be on the AP exam and will be on my test. Senior skip day happened on the wrong day.
Why does it have to happen?
81. Okay, fine. P prime of 1. So the P of x and is equal to f of x times g of x. Now this one will be on the exam. Will be on the Friday exam. You have to know it. Sydney, make sure you know it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a derivative generically. And I did that in the group chat. I said that's equal to f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. Now you're gonna plug in 1 because we want to looking for 1. That's equal to f prime of 1, g of 1, plus f of 1 times g prime of 1. Now what you're gonna go look for is not looking for the equation. I think you find the equation. That's too much work. What you're gonna do is gonna look at the graph. So let me see if I can take a picture of the graph. And I'm gonna import to Notability. Import, choose open. Oops, it's not what I want to import to. Import. Okay. Well, a second. Let me go to this first, and then let me import. Wait, import camera. Import Notability. Oops, my bad. Adding this one. So it's probably right here. So I'm gonna track up.
Yes, classic snap the grid.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna find out what f prime of 1 is. Well, f prime of 1. So this is f, right? If you go back to 1, it's right this point. What is my slope? 1. It's go up 1, right 1, right? So that's just 1. Is that okay? What is g of 1?
4.
It's gonna be 4 right here. G of 1 is right here. And this slope is gonna go like this, right?
Right.
Plus, what's f of 1?
1 is 6.
6. And what is g prime of 1? Wait, hold on a second. Let me make sure.
Number 1 is
It
negative 1.
it's yeah. It's negative 1/2.
Oh, did I? I think I needlessly overcomplicated this on my worksheet.
Negative 1/2. So that's equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Does that make sense?
Okay, yeah, I got.
So how about you try it again?
Time apparently.
How about you try again for Q of 4? You try it right now. Q of x is equal to f of x over Q of x. Because this is on S.
Did I mix up the F and the G on my? Okay, there we go. Wait, just
You guys got it?
Yes.
Do you-
So now, so here.
You guys got the same answer or no?
So I got the name of the answer. Again.
Play with Neha.
So F would be so P of P prime of
Wait, what'd you
four.
get?
So
Maybe I misread the graph.
I didn't
Uh,
get one.
P
I got labeled first.
P of four.
I misread the graph. Yeah, what you did.
Aiden, what'd you get?
Sorry.
I got 5.2. Did you want us to do 8? Which one? B for 81?
81B.
Which?
Yeah, it's okay.
81B.
Just remember F. Darker one. All the G is to B.
81B. 81B.
81B. Okay.
Yeah, we're doing 82A.
What did you get?
Wait,
I can tell you what's 82A is. Hold on a second.
wait. Are we doing 81B or 82A?
81B.
81B.
Oh, we all got.
Yeah.
No, we got the same answer.
I got
That's
I got 4 for
82.
no, I don't know which one is this. This is
That's
I think it says 82B.
Yeah.
I got 3
Oh.
over 4.
82?
You said
He said about the
81B.
graph on.
Yeah.
He was showing us what he thought.
Oh, okay.
Wait, you said you got negative 3/4 or 3/4 for 82B?
What'd you get?
What's happening?
3/4.
Wait, so we weren't doing 82. And we do it
I
81B.
didn't-
We're doing 81B. What was it supposed to be?
So 81B.
Now I don't know my number.
Okay. Okay, so I think I made a mistake in 81A. My process was right for 81B. However, I needlessly overcomplicated the thing.
Which one's
Low, D high,
Needlessly overcomplicated by thinking
minus
by function.
high,
This is my fixed one.
D low, over low. So we're gonna figure out what G of 4 is. If I correct, G of 4 should be 3. Is that okay?
Yes.
What's F prime of 4? That should be -1. Minus F of 4 is, I think, 7.
Yeah. Yep.
What G prime of 4? 0.
Over 3 squared.
Over
So for the F,
G of 4 equal to -3 over 9, so it's -1/3. Somebody got -1/3. Oh, good job, Cameron.
I think it's because I did the right question.
So
Is that hard?
F,
No? It's very intuitive, right?
functions are the same.
It's algebra 1.
I thought
and
I got it
the,
wrong. It made a lot of
standard
sense.
ones, at the standard
And you got a
ones
0
are
slope, which is good.
Oh.
Yes, Aiden?
For hold on, I'm gonna help them real quick. But how would the slope work
Thank
for
you, I
G
tried.
of X for 82?
I think I'm good at explaining
82?
that.
Yeah.
At 4, it's gonna give you 0
I'll
because of the horizontal tangent.
Oh, okay.
But if it's at 6, it's gonna be undefined because there's a sharp turn.
What'd you say?
At 4, it's
So
gonna
the
give you a
higher
0. Do you see this?
These
Yeah.
higher order.
M is equal to 0. But at here, it's undefined. But you don't need to do that. But at that one point, it's undefined. Any type of sharp turn is undefined.
Would they ever give us a question where it wouldn't be a where it would be
Okay,
tangent
so
or
for
zero
these
or
ones,
undefined? Like if it,
Yeah, they can give you undefined.
well, like if we're would they be able to give us one at like 3?
3, no.
Okay.
3 will be kind of hard. You have to figure out the equation and take it to 2, which is kind of hard.
It's kind of like separate, but what if the graph was like this instead of like that? What would the slope be at the top?
What?
If the graph was just like this at the top and it's asking it for
I did.
That's undefined. A sharp
The
turn.
only thing I dislike is when you have the text message, it like blows up. But apart from that, I mean,
You can try again on 82A or 82B. I think I did them on the other question. Now, you do have a 0 slope here because it's a horizontal tangent, so. Fine.
We have like math lessons too. It's like the seniors are nice.
No.
We should have ping pong done. See,
Are you even good at ping pong?
I don't know. Ping pong, I would live.
Huh? Yeah.
the seniors are sleeping. Like, they're at the what?
Yeah.
It's up to social.
You're serious?
That's all they did is different. They're all my friends are picture.
They would be sleeping in.
No. They all had fun last night and then they went to the beach this morning. Yep.
Skip, at least do something useful with your time. Recharge.
They were
They are. They're just doing it at the beach.
I think this is A and B. This is what I got.
I swear, next year I think I'm gonna be the only senior who actually attends every day and doesn't do the senior skip days.
That's a pretty goal to have.
Are you a senior, right?
Yeah,
And there's like 4 of us here.
You're a senior.
You're a senior,
Oh,
bro?
You didn't want to skip school?
I think pretty sure I had a test in par, but I don't remember.
Oh.
He made us vote, but nobody voted. So I don't know if there's a test or not.
I don't have a test, but
Who was the
I'm
king and
scared of
queen,
the
by
rock.
the way?
I'm sure it's you.
I didn't get to see the football game. Who was the king and
Plus,
queen?
I skipped a couple periods last week to get out my dress. So.
Okay, next question.
I forgot to do this.
Okay, next question. Is this question very important? Yeah, super important.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
With 82, what would the slope be of G? Of 4?
G of 4, what do you think?
Like I just mean like looking at the graph like it's curved, so what would that slope be?
So what do you think? I'm asking you what do you think rather than I tell you.
Okay. Like,
Take a guess.
maybe like at 4, maybe is it 0?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And would it be this like then at like 5, would it be 1?
5 for F or G?
For G.
For G at 5, possibly, but not necessary. Yeah, that curved line is hard to tell, but on the top it's easy to tell.
Would you give us one that you couldn't tell like that?
No. Because you have to figure out equation and take it over. But yeah, possibly a -1. But that's just estimation. Next questions. I never remember sneezing a skip day happened this early.
It's because soccer was always later.
Is it?
Is it always the Monday after Welcome?
Yeah.
Usually. Or prom.
I still don't know what I'm gonna do for that.
Just show up to school.
Don't show up. Don't show up.
I
Sleep in, be productive.
All right, next question.
Quite little, just about.
I make it an absolute priority to attend like school events and
No.
such.
59. I did the work here. I just low D high, high D low, and I just plug in the value right away. And I got -4 square root 3. But that's me.
I got the same thing.
Huh?
I got the same thing.
59. Okay, so
I plug in low D high, high D low over low low, and I plug in the pi over 6, which is, I don't know, Cameron did this one. Do you know your trick value now?
initially I thought I thought you had to do like a identity, but no, there's no like identity.
Oh.
Yeah,
That's great.
it's literally just
Yeah, that's not how-
low, high, low.
Oh, question 60 is actually super easy.
Okay, yeah.
Question 60, a lot of people are confused, but it's like this. F of x equal to 10 of x, co-10 of x, 10 of x times 1 over 10 of x, 10 of x cancel out, and that's just f of x is equal to 1. Take a derivative of that, it's going to be 0.
Ooh, I overworked that apparently.
Yeah, you don't need to do product rule here. You just need to simplify it.
You so cotangent is the same as 1 divided by tangents,
I put it into
and then you cancel out the tangent and so that f of x becomes just 1, and then f prime of x f
how
of
one I
x.
can.
Exactly.
If we can stop it.
If you still solve it, how would you mark it around?
Because I did 10.
The problem is I tried to did that before.
It's cotangent.
Oh, right.
So you can split. You just multiply.
And it's much more complex. You get an answer? Same answer?
Yeah, because I got like one side's equal like 2.2, and then like I got another side 2.2.
Yeah, and then you have to use calculator with that.
To one volume.
Yeah, that's why I use that most. Then you gotta find the degree of one. So I did like 1 times.
It's not degree, it's radian.
I don't know.
Yeah.
The 1 is radian, not degree.
No.
All right, let's go to chain rule. Well, the most important rule, and no one's here. Great. How much time I have?
Yeah, like
16 minutes.
Yeah.
16 minutes?
Yeah.
I have 1 viewer.